In today's landscape of electronic warfare and anti-access threats, military forces require intelligent, resilient systems capable of operating independently, even when communications are jammed or GPS signals are lost. Shield AI's newest version of the VBAT drone rises to meet that challenge. It's not just a drone, it's a fully autonomous VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, platform that needs no runway, catapult, or landing net. With its ducted fan design, the VBAT can land precisely and safely on moving ship decks or in tight urban spaces, making it an ideal solution for naval, expeditionary, and urban missions. A key upgrade in this version is the integration of a heavy-fuel JP-5 engine, which aligns with naval aviation standards and extends flight endurance to over 13 hours. This is crucial for long-range patrols, surveillance, and intelligence-gathering missions across wide operational areas. At the heart of the system is Shield AI's HiveMind Pilot, an advanced autonomous software that enables the VBAT to make tactical decisions, navigate, avoid threats, and recognize objects without any human input, even in environments where remote control is impossible due to signal interference or electronic attacks. The drone is equipped with advanced payloads that enhance its capabilities in reconnaissance, targeting, and electronic warfare. Systems like VIDAR allow for passive detection of movement across the ocean surface, while synthetic aperture radar provides visibility through clouds and smoke. Electronic intelligence and jamming modules further expand its operational utility in complex mission environments. Equally important is its ability to be operated beyond visual line of sight via SATCOM, enabling operators to control and coordinate missions globally, from virtually anywhere in the world. The new VBAT represents a leap forward in autonomous aerial systems, providing unmatched flexibility and survivability in next-generation conflicts.